Imagine looking at your bank account and feeling quiet confidence instead of anxiety. You can set a system in motion that routes your savings and investments to the right places before you spend them. By the end of this video, we are going to build your personal wealth blueprint, a working step-by-step system you can set up today. To follow along, you need 3 simple things: your bank statements from the last 30 days, a blank spreadsheet, and your current debt list. Wealth is the result of a predictable, mechanical process. Once you put the right gears in place, the system does the heavy lifting. Step 1 is the audit. You cannot fix a leak without knowing where it is. We need to track exactly what you spent over the last 30 days. This chart maps your expenses. Instead of agonizing over every receipt, divide your money into 5 broad buckets: housing, food, fun, debt, and savings. Looking closely at the fun category, your goal is to find one non-essential subscription and cancel it. With that money freed up, we move to step 2, the buffer. A cash emergency fund is your armor. It stops you from relying on credit cards when sudden expenses hit. Log into your banking app and set up an automatic recurring transfer. Routing $50 to a savings account every payday builds your defense. Moving money to savings immediately on payday ensures your goals are funded before daily expenses can deplete your balance. Knowing exactly where your cash went last month and automating your savings for next month shifts your posture from reactive to proactive. Step 3 is fixing the leak. Not all debt is equal. High-interest debt from credit cards acts like a hole in your pocket, destroying the cash you need for tomorrow. This table prioritizes your payments. List every balance you owe and sort by the highest interest rate. That top row, sitting at 24%, is your target. Root every extra dollar into it until it's completely gone. Once the leaks are patched, you need step 4, the engine. Keeping cash in a savings account loses you money over time because inflation quietly eats away its purchasing power. Open a standard brokerage or retirement account and set up a recurring deposit into a diversified index fund. This graph shows the math over a 20-year timeline. While uninvested cash sits completely flat, an investment of just $100 a month curves upward, compounding on itself as your money makes its own money. People often hesitate because they feel their monthly deposits are too small to matter. In reality, early consistency is more valuable than a large starting balance. When you eliminate the drain of high-interest debt and fire up an investment engine, you reverse your money's momentum. Finally, we reach step 5, the accelerator. You can only cut your expenses down so far, but the amount of money you can earn has no mathematical ceiling. To speed up this entire process, you need to increase your earning power. That means 3 paths: negotiating a raise, taking on freelance work, or learning a new skill. From these 3 options, select one concrete action you can take this week: update your resume, pitch a client, or start a course. Combining a highly efficient financial defense with an expanding income offense creates a cycle of accelerated wealth. And that is your complete wealth blueprint. You audited your budget, built a cash buffer, mapped a debt plan, started your investment engine, and picked a growth strategy. Stability is the byproduct of reliable, mechanical habits practiced month after month. I want you to commit to this process. Leave a comment below telling me exactly which of these 5 steps you are initiating today. If you found this blueprint helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more strategies coming to help you master your money and build long-term wealth. Thanks for watching.